That's
No.
quite bullshit.
Well, lots of break. No, but seriously, somebody must have used it. Or if they think that you recorded something.
Yeah.
You're gonna draw something.
What? I'm not recording the music.